to Braid Academy. In today's lesson, we're learning how to create parts and sectioning. Welcome in. Clean parts are the foundation of professional braiding. Even simple styles look neater with clean sections. Start by applying braiding gel near the roots. Don't use too much product. Also, make sure you consult with your client on whether they like braiding gel on their roots or not. Use the pointed end of the rat tail comb and create a straight line slowly. Remember, don't rush. After making the part, separate the hair immediately with the clip and section away. When checking sections, look from multiple angles. Sometimes a part looks straight from the front, but uneven from above. A beginner mistake is using large, messy sections too quickly. Smaller sections help you practice control and accuracy. Remember, clean parts make your braid style look more expensive and professional. That wraps up today's lesson. Practice clean parting at home. Practice creating straight lines before moving on to faster styles. I'll see you at the next class in APAC Braid Academy.